Wealth Catalyst AI, assess and manage risk in your portfolio with ease. Wealth Catalyst AI, revolutionizing risk management and trading efficiency with AI-powered solutions. One of the most important things that any individual can learn about trading is managing risk. Managing risk is possibly one of the most important aspects of trading that people tend to gloss over. And it is only after years of gathering experience and learning about the market can people make more successful trades. Luckily, there are a multitude of trading platforms that allow you to better assess and manage risk in your portfolio. In this Wealth Catalyst AI introduction, I will review how this trading platform helps you make more educated decisions when you start trading. Effectively assess and manage risk. During my Wealth Catalyst AI review, the added AI chatbot gives individuals access to a trading AI to help with a variety of trading needs. So along with using it to find the right trading assets for your specific trading strategy, you can even use it to properly assess and manage risk in your portfolio. This is possibly one of the best features that this trading AI offers, since it can allow you to effectively manage all of your assets, especially the risky ones. The trading chatbot will continuously monitor your portfolio and will tell you about the assets that have the highest risk. It will even offer solutions to help you deal with the issue, such as selling off the stock or balancing it out with a less risky option. It will also consider various factors when making these suggestions, such as market volatility, recent news, and the company's history. Detailed analysis of market news. Along with offering all of its traders an excellent AI chatbot that can assist in the trading process, it also offers a very detailed analysis of regular market news. When looking to make trades with your funds, one of the first things that you will have to look into is the market news. Along with seeing various events, you also want to check how this will possibly affect your specific assets. Therefore, Wealth Catalyst AI was very careful to include the analysis of market news for their traders. This analysis explains how certain worldwide events can possibly affect the prices of certain trading assets. Therefore, you can better manage your portfolio and make sure that your assets do not lose too much of their value. It can even help you find out if you're holding on to very risky assets that you should sell before they drop in price. Sign up with ease. Another important addition that Wealth Catalyst AI makes to its service is the marginally faster sign-up. Along with being able to trade with ease using a trading AI, you can even sign up in a few steps and get started. All you have to do is fill in your personal information and add your banking details in the relevant fields. After that, all you have to do is add your username and password, and you can start trading. Plenty of traders take issue with the fact that they have to spend a lot of time trying to register for a service before they can even start trading. Wealth Catalyst AI takes out all of that extra wait time and can get you in trading in as little as 10 minutes. Are Wealth Catalyst AI scam all legit? Wealth Catalyst AI offers a wealth of trading features that can help traders of all skill levels, especially when helping traders manage risk in their portfolios. With an AI trader that analyzes and maintains your asset portfolio for you, the platform ensures that people of all skill levels will be to trade properly. With this in mind, Wealth Catalyst AI is a legit trading service. Conclusion. Throughout this Wealth Catalyst AI review, I have gone over all of the excellent features that this platform offers and how it helps traders who are new to trading. And with its deep learning AI, it offers a complete experience designed to help traders improve. Disclaimer: this press release is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, or legal advice. The opinions expressed herein are those of James Altucher and do not necessarily reflect the views of any associated organizations. Readers are advised to conduct their own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The mention of specific companies or projects does not imply endorsement or recommendation. All investments carry risks, including the potential loss of principal.